On July 6, 2022, a granite monument in Elberton, Georgia, was heavily damaged by a bomb set by a vandal, leading to the dismantling of the monument, which has not been replaced. Known as the Georgia Guidestones, the 19-foot-tall stone pillars were inscribed with guidelines for human survivors of any imminent apocalyptic event. Consisting of 6 slabs weighing almost 250,000 pounds total, the inscriptions contained 10 guidelines repeated in 8 different languages. Completed in 1980, the monument was the subject of numerous conspiracy theories and rumors, including allegations that some sort of satanic worship was involved. Eventually, someone became unwilling to allow the monument to exist and blew up part of the slabs, resulting in the dismantling of the monument. No arrest has been made, and the motive for the bombing is unknown. No time capsule or other items were found under the stones when they were removed. Note: per Wikipedia, the inscriptions were as follows: "Maintain humanity under 500 million in perpetual balance with nature. Guide reproduction wisely, improving fitness and diversity. Unite humanity with a living new language. Rule passion, faith, tradition, and all things with tempered reason. Protect people and nations with fair laws and just courts. Let all nations rule internally, resolving external disputes in a world court. Avoid petty laws and useless officials. Balance personal rights with social duties. Prize truth, beauty, love, seeking harmony with the infinite. Be not a cancer on the earth. Leave room for nature. Leave room for nature." As a question for my students and subscribers, what is your favorite monument? Please let us know in the comments section for this video.